What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We are on home tour 3 for the day. If you missed the other home tours, make sure you check out our channel. We toured 2 other Silvercrest Bradford series homes. Both of them were 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. One has a half-built factory front porch. The other is a split open floor plan. So you're going to want to take a look at those. Right now, we are staring at the Kingsbrook KB-54. This home is 24 feet wide by 52 feet long, approximately 1,250 square feet. The Kingsbrook is the cream of the crop. It's the Cadillac of the industry. This is a beautiful home. You're going to love the interior. It has a large kitchen island. The kitchen opens up to the living room, a spacious master bedroom, and so much more. You're going to want to stick it out till the end to even check out the master bathroom. It is beautiful. It's humongous. All right, let's take a look at the front here. We have these 12-inch hood. You can omit the hood if you don't have enough room, but here this lot is large enough, so we do have a 12-inch hood that protects the side of the home. We also added the shingle siding up at the top to give it a little bit more curb appeal. Then we have the vertical siding with these window shutters on this side. This white body with black trim really does look sharp. This is my favorite color scheme. Tell me what you think in the description of this video. I'm sorry. Tell me what you think in the comment section of the white body with black trim. This half factory built front porch also adds great curb appeal. Anytime you can add a factory built porch, whether it's a full length or half, I highly recommend it. It just adds a lot of character. Let's go inside and take a look at this KB-54. If you're looking to put this home on your property and you want to know how much this costs, make sure you send us your contact information so an MH expert can contact you. Pricing varies depending on the project. There are a lot of variables when we're pricing out these homes. All right, let's go take a look. All right, as you walk in, as you can see, these are 9-foot flat ceilings. The other 2 homes that we toured had 8-foot flat ceilings, so they were a little bit lower. The 8-foot is a little bit more energy efficient because you have less area that you're either heating or cooling. Check out this kitchen island. You can put bar stools on all sides of this kitchen island. Most kitchen islands, you could only put bar stools on one side, so you can fit about 5 people here at this island if you wanted. We also even have extra cabinet space here. One thing that Silvercrest does with the soft closing hinges is they also have the pull grooves, so you don't need to have any knobs on there. So a lot of people like that. It's a cleaner look, a lot of people think. Now you can see how the kitchen opens up to the living area, and then look at those transom stacked windows. These windows really allow a lot of natural light into the home, especially here in Southern California when we have more sunny days than not. Another thing we added is check out the crown molding. The crown molding goes throughout the entire home. If you were designing your own manufactured home, would you add stack windows? Do you like a lot of natural light coming in? Another thing that you'd be able to add is like a skylight up in the ceiling if you wanted to get even more natural light. I know people have mixed feelings about that, but this kitchen looks so clean. The white countertops, white cabinets, white on white with stainless steel appliances and a stainless steel sink. Right here, this is your standard stainless steel sink. You can do a gooseneck faucet with sprayer, single lever, if you wanted to do that. A lot of people like to option those in. It's a great option. But these countertops are similar to the other two homes we toured, just they're white solid surface Corian countertops with a 4-inch backsplash. If you want to learn more about the different backsplash options, make sure you check out the last video or the last home we toured. We go over the different options you have for backsplash. Again, we have a side-by-side refrigerator with 2 doors side by side, ice maker, water dispenser. There's a lot of cabinet space in this home. Now over here, let me get the lights on over here. This is a good size utility room. You have plenty of room. You get your side-by-side washer and dryer. And then over here, you could even put a folding table if you wanted. So you do have plenty of room in this utility room is what they call it. And we've talked about this in our videos before. If you can, make sure you put a door where your furnace is. If you have a door over your furnace, it's gonna make your home much quieter, especially if you're trying to watch a movie or your favorite TV show, a good movie. But you're gonna love what we have coming up next. We're gonna move down this hallway over here. To the left, we have our coat closet. Most of our homes do have coat closets, but if you wanted, you can option these out. It would actually, you'll see in the bedroom, if we option this out, it would open up the bedroom a little bit more. Now, as we go down here over to the right is bedroom number 3 or 2, depending on what you want to call it. But it is a spacious room. Again, you can easily fit a queen size bed, possibly a king size bed, and still have your nightstands. Now, we're not going to bore you too much with focusing on this room too much, but as you can see, it's another good sized bedroom, full size bed, queen size bed with your nightstands and your dressers. You can easily fit that in this room. And over here, this guest bathroom just has everything you need. And look how much light is in this bathroom. We added, boom, those windows. Make sure you add windows over your shower in the guest bathroom. Otherwise, it's just going to be a wall and it's going to feel like you're in a dungeon or a cave. Silvercrest puts standard beautiful vanity lights. Again, solid surface countertops, white porcelain sink. And these porcelain sinks are very durable. You don't have to worry about them cracking. And now we're finally getting to the best part of this home. This is a beautiful, spacious master bedroom, but you're gonna love the master bathroom, so just hang tight. But this master bedroom is much larger than your average bedroom. You can fit a king-size bed or a California king with your dressers and nightstands. You even have some room for a reading chair or a love seat. So there is plenty of room here. And over to the right is a good sized closet. Now take a look at this master bathroom. It's a very spacious master bathroom. We have a his and her sink, a beautiful vanity light, awesome mirror trim. And over here to the right, you even have room for a laundry basket if you don't want to have your laundry basket in the walk-in closet. Don't forget about this walk-in shower. Again, you have several options for different walk-in showers that you could choose from. We discuss them in the other two videos. So tell us what you think about this home. What is one word that you would use to describe this home? Tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. See you next week.